Present morning, Queen Ifrica or any woman that was abused by a family member or any man at all or anybody at all. Queen Ifrica, I want to tell you how deeply sorry I am for my ignorance and my vulgarity, my vulgar behavior towards you as a person, not knowing that your abuse was this touching and real. You understand? Because some of the time I was just there being ignorant, just saying things because it is there to be said. But I am very, very sorry, ma'am, about saying what I ever said about, you being touched by your family member. You understand what I say? Especially your father. I am very sorry, and I hope you can forgive me ignorance. You understand what I say? And I never know that happened to you, and I'm very, very sorry. I'm so sorry about that. You understand me? And I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I hope you can forgive me and continue to be strong and hold up your head. You understand me? So sorry, mom. So sorry.